What is up, guys? It's your boy Falcon back again, and today we're gonna work on a 2012 Nissan Sentra. I believe it's like a 2.0 1.8, and on this particular day we have a code P0101, which is mass airflow sensor out of range. Usually this code means that we have a bad mass airflow sensor, but actually we have a bad boot between the throttle body and the mass airflow sensor. We're gonna go ahead and replace that and show you where the big old leak is coming from, so stay tuned. Have the 2012 Nissan Sentra. I believe, like I said, this is a 2.0 engine. So what we're going to be replacing is this boot here, as it goes between the mass airflow sensor and the throttle body. I had already put tape on this maybe like 6-7 months ago. Back in those days, same thing, I had the same code. I did a smoke test and I saw that it was leaking from there. I told the customer we need to replace it. He didn't have the, I think it's like $70 to replace it. So I told him I could put tape on it. I can't guarantee anything. We did put tape on it. It worked for a while. It was able to pass inspection, but it's leaking again, and this time around he does have enough money to go ahead and replace it. So I went ahead and I bought it. So now we're gonna replace it. Like I said, we're just gonna do this clamp here, clamp there, and then this other clamp here. These are flathead screwdriver clamps. This is a regular clamp. We're gonna remove this. I'll show you where it's leaking from, where the massive leak's from, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, so like I said, we're gonna start off by taking off this this clamp back here, and then this clamp here, and then this the other clamp right here. Now they're completely loose, and now we're gonna undo this one with we're gonna use some pliers to take it off. So this clamp, just press it right here, and then you can move it out of the way. So now we're gonna press this almost like an accordion and then pull it out. Alright, so here we have the brand new boot that goes between the throttle body and the mass airflow sensor, and this is the old one. That is a massive hole that it had right there. So we're just gonna go ahead and put it back on, same procedure, tighten everything back up, and we should be able just to clearly check engine light. Alright, so here we are ready to put it in. Before we put it in, we gotta loosen up those clamps real quick so it can slide on a little bit easier. I'm gonna put a little bit of grease here so it can slide on a little bit better. Okay, so now to put it on. Start with the back side first. That side's on. Throttle body side. There it goes. It's in. Now we're gonna put the little hose that goes between right here and here. Okay, now so we're gonna go ahead and tighten up the clamps. And we're all set. Brand new boot is in. So now just to clear the check engine light. Here we have the scanner. This is that we didn't have any codes, but if you put read codes, here's the code P0101. Even though I said you had no codes, once you press the read codes, it would come up. So there it is, mass or volume airflow out of range or circuit range. So now we raise codes. Los códigos. Are you sure you want to raise the codes? Yes. Done. So now we go to read codes again. read codes. So now we erase the code and that's it. Part number for that hose. I'll also try to put a link down there in the description for Amazon or something like that. Alright guys, so that was how to replace the boot whenever your boot is leaking on this 2012 Nissan Sentra 2.0. Code was P0101, which was a bad mass airflow sensor code, but it's basically whatever oxygen that the sensor is reading and what the oxygen sensors it's coming out of. What that's reading, then he's not coordinating because he has a massive leak here. So there's extra oxygen going into the engine. Sometimes you also get like a too rich code or too lean code for the same thing. But I did a smoke test and it was leaking from there, so I went ahead and replaced it. So, alright guys, we really hope you guys find today's video helpful. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. You guys have yourselves a great day.